What's going on? YouTube, Chad. It is Wall Street Sessions, baby. Welcome back. I hope you guys are ready for this one. We had FOMC yesterday and we got the markets very, very much alive today. Anticipating some big moves. Hopefully, I think if we're on the right side today, I think this is going to be a banger trade. So you guys better fasten those seatbelts. Chris, how you feeling, bro?
Feeling refreshed and renewed and ready for the session. Hope you guys are feeling the same.
Yeah, Jex, I think the numbers slowly come in, but I think a lot of guys blew up yesterday. So there's a little bit of damage control happening here. Everyone that tried to trade that FOMC event. But before we start talking about that and getting on to what's happening in the charts, Chris, you guys open us up with prayer, brother.
I will, Chad. I think we can just bow our heads. Father, we just want to thank you for another session here. Thank you for giving us the ability to do what we love every single day. Thank you for health. Thank you for friends. Thank you for family. Thank you for our businesses. Thank you for the ability to earn an income. Thank you for each and every member that joins us here every single day. And I just pray that you will be with us. You say that you know our prayers before we even pray our prayers. So thank you that we can know that our prayers are heard. And we just pray for a good session, and we just pray that you will bless this session, that you will give Keegan insight, wisdom, so that we can make good decisions here today. And we pray this and we ask this in the wonderful name of Jesus. And if you believe it, you can just say amen, Chad.
Amen. There we go, guys. We are locked and loaded, and we are ready for this. I hope you guys are, because we sure as hell are. So let's dive right in, guys. Before we all talk, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of questions at FOMC, but I think we'll do that after analysis while we wait for market open. But let's get into the fundamental talk of what happened today. Now, one thing I wanted to just lock in on, guys, we obviously just had unemployment claims come out, 219, a little bit nicer drop over there. And the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index also coming out 1.7. So we really got a nice strong dollar over there. And then we've got existing home sales coming out at 4 o'clock, a 3.95, a 3.92. So they are expecting a little bit of a drop there. But I think this is the main event, that unemployment claims and the Philly Fed giving us that dollar strength. Keys, did your trade from Ander. So funny enough, I'm gonna do my analysis on Ander, because that's just where all my stuff is, how it was. So I'm gonna go through it there. I know there is a little bit of a difference, but when we get ready to take the firecracker, I'm gonna be watching the firecracker and our stuff on the FP markets. So I'm gonna do it that way. But let's go over to the charts, guys, and let's see what is happening. DXY, what are we looking at? As much as we are bearish, guys, I say to you, there's two things you got to be a little bit careful for. And when we're looking on the 4 hour, purely this sense over this, we traded up, obviously getting that weekly level over here, and then traded down, obviously FOMC. So FOMC this morning, bang, going for those gap closures and then trading back down. Now, if the one thing was, I said to the guys this morning, for us to completely lock in this bearish momentum now, we had to break this weekly S1. We've been trading here, we've been holding it the whole time. We needed to break it. We had all the momentum to break it now, and dollar turned around and said, nope, not just yet. Holding that EQ, holding the weekly S1 when there's a lot of momentum to the top side. So personally for me right now, if I'm looking at the dollar, Asia lows, we got the weekly pivot, previous daily highs, we got Asia highs all the way up here. If dollar can hold onto this momentum, I think dollar can go all the way for those Asia highs and weekly R1. From there, we can maybe see any possible reversals, but I think this is definitely on the cards for the dollar. Now, again, as I said, first thing to get through that, if we fail here and we get back under previous weekly lows, then I think dollar is going down, and you know what? That news wasn't strong enough to even give dollar any short-term bullishness. So that is one on the daily. I'm still taking a neutral outlook, but we do prefer the bearish side of things. But again, just be aware, we do have some dollar strength for the day. So knowing that cash open comes in, we can see a little bit of momentum there. Now over to NASDAQ. NASDAQ, guys, as simple as it is, it's this thing's just going bullish. It is turning around. This was the zone we said this morning you had to watch out for. We traded right into it. We broke right through it and carried on to the top side. For me, the thing is, there's no way I would have got in on this, guys. It's bullish. There was your break. That was this morning. I would have traded there. Break of Asia highs, nothing. Previous daily highs, I wouldn't have taken the previous, the retest, because I would have been anticipating a possible retest of Asia highs. So wouldn't have got there. The break of this level, cool. I'll get on the retest. No retest. So for me, as much as that's awesome, it's one word traffic. There's no way to get on this. So I'm not going to really try to jump on that bus now. US 30 is the one we want to look at now. So obviously, guys, path previous all-time highs from last week. Reason it's there and it's not set for the new one, obviously we monitor the new one. Now the thing is, for the guys that weren't here, this was our all-time highs. We broke that now with that news event that came out. So when we look here on the 4 hour, you can see obviously we traded there, we broke it. Now as much as we still closed above this monthly R1, the thing I do not like, and you guys saw me do this a week, 2 weeks ago when gold did it, and 100% gold had the big pullback after that before doing this, and continuing the way it is now. So if this thing, the fact it broke and it's failing to have that nice run, I don't like that, and there's a good chance we can see a bit of a reversal. For the guys that were in FOMC and in our watch party, I spoke to people about that. I am anticipating a little bullish run in the shorter term, but I am anticipating a massive drop off after that. So this can still be our bullish run. Not saying it's the end of it yet, but that could have been it, and that reversal can start to come in any time. So we're just going to watch out for that. First, that is the big red sign for me there. That's your break. All-time highs couldn't. Then you're ranging on all-time highs and reversing. I do not like that. So for me, if this thing can break down, if we get on the firecracker a sell and we can get something like this, guys, that's what I say. I will hold this thing because there's a good chance Asia highs, EQ, previous all-time highs, Asia lows untested. It can be a nice move. And as much as this looks normal, if we put this actually, like, you not really understand how big the range is, this is going to be a massive move here for us today if we can be on the right side of it. So let's hope we can be. Then lastly, with gold. Gold is the, I don't want to say tricky one for me, but same thing, guys. So this has now broken, had its range, pumped up, reversed a bit. Now, thing for me was, I'm still neutral because of the fact we had this massive reversal and again closing under the monthly R1, then trying to run bullish again, breaking this previous all-time highs and rejecting again. So not taking all-time highs. This is path previous all-time highs. So let me actually just correct that before you guys are all going to be asking me about this. So previous all-time highs, there is obviously previous daily high is new all-time highs. And we failed already at the previous and turned around again. So for me, this is lining in with that bearish move. We spoke about it. Asia lows untested, weekly pivot over there, your EQ over there holding the last straw. So if this for me gets underneath the EQ, for me gold, the sells are coming in, monthly R1 back to the weekly pivot and taking out Asia lows and previous daily lows, since it's right there as well. That would be the play for me. 25.44. You can make it 25.40 just to round it up, but that's what I'll be looking for with gold. Otherwise, if we want the buys, anything for me, I'd possibly be looking above the daily R1. I want to see us hold the daily R1 because that'll be the first time we did that, and then I hope for that aggressive pop off to the top side, and you can probably target the weekly R1. So that's gonna be my neutral outlooks here, but that's everything from my side. Chris, what you looking at, bro?
All right, Chad, let me just see this camera is a little bit down and out. Some of the traders, but it's not the end of the world. It's not. It's just a P&L. You don't live by a P&L. Let me just do that real quick here. All right, guys, quick one. DXY. Obviously, Keegan also mentioning that we can potentially see that pullback back at Asia lows. That's at first retest. Previous weekly low all the way down here. So I'm going to say, very honest with myself, if we cannot hold this level and then get back into the Asia range, I'm still going to be bearish. but I want to see this hold, and then I'm still not going to be bullish. I'm only going to be bullish once we hold there. Okay, that's the idea for the dollar. US 30, very, very simple. We talked about it this morning. Asia high is very likely to continue if it breaks and holds above. No retest, similar to yesterday. It actually did exactly the same thing. Was it yesterday or the day before that? Oh yeah, it was Tuesday doing the same thing, just breaking Asia highs, and then it just had a massive run to the upside. This morning again, just clean break and run. Okay, so previous daily high, very interesting, chat. That is that news high that was created after the release. So quite a bit of resistance here. I'm going to be very honest with you. I talked about that sugar rush. I don't think the boys are done yet, so I'm gonna be very careful if we start holding above here. I've seen Dow Jones do 3% in a day. I've seen it do 1,500 points in a day. I've seen all of this, so very, very careful here. If you want to try and short it, just be aware. Everyone is hyped up 50 basis points, cheaper credit, all of that. So we just need to be very aware of what's happening there. Obviously no real retest of Asia highs, so interesting. Nasdaq, dude, Nasdaq 2.1%. You cannot make it up. Nasdaq super clean, guys. Go exclamation Discord. This is one of our continuation setups, and even for the guys that trade support and resistance, anyone could have made money here. Break above that support there, holding it. There was your candle break, breaking it. All you needed to do was monitor this previous daily high. You all know that that's a key point, and then we broke clean above it, held it there, and the rest is history. It's now currently daily R2, super bullish, 405 points. Scary stuff, buying up there, but if you do it, good luck. I think you are much stronger than me in that. Gold, yeah, Chad, gold. I think it's just an uncomfortable instrument at this stage to trade, if I'm being very honest with you. There's the previous weekly high. That is the previous weekly high right there. Yesterday at the news as well, you'll see that price actually came back to kiss it twice. It was so nice that I had to go and give it 2 kisses. So you can see there, price just willingly came back to that level to test it. And let me just do this quickly. What I feel like I'm sitting very uncomfortable here, but anyway, gold for me, Chad, I'm not gonna even trade gold today. I'm very honest with you. This for me is a little bit choppy. Asia highs are not really tested. You can consider that maybe a test. I'm just gonna leave gold. SA40. Just doing us dirty this morning. We took our position there. Unfortunately, I wasn't at the charts. Took our position there. Got clipped. Got clipped there somewhere. Then later, look how clean that is. Later broke above, rejected daily R2, if I'm not mistaken, R4. Came back cleanly. There was your retest that held, and dude, I think we had the daily R5. Chat, this is the day. Yeah, incredible stuff. I love this for my portfolio, but for me now, what I would say, we still have that open gap. I'm gonna potentially look for something here after the open. If we reject that, we spend most of the session above that level, so just some profit taking, and I'm gonna try and target firstly this daily R4. That's gonna give me about, what is this, 220 points. Not gonna be greedy. Also, one thing that I have noted, remember we always talk about if a daily R1 or whatever does not give you resistance, it's going to push up. Now, the reason we had daily R5 does not mean we're going to try and sell it. I've seen also that if it extends that far, it will more likely range here. You won't necessarily get a massive pullback, but I'm still going to try something here to see if we maybe get like a little bit of a drop. But for the most part, it's just going to range for the rest of the day. But Keeks, that's my rapid fire analysis.
Happy brother. Just getting that little story up for us.
Oh, Cracker looking for sells.
Oh, is it?
Have you checked it? Cracker selling.
So we like to, yeah.
Cracker sells.
That's what we like to hear.
Sheesh. How's the chat doing?
So it is there. I just want to check, so if you mark it as a sell and it's a sell, so it's irrelevant. Bro, they literally look identical to the charts. Like, I don't know how yours and my levels, bro. I promise you now, when I'm doing it, they're identical.
Oh, the what's the name? The Cracker levels.
Yeah, jumping between the cracker levels.
Chad, how's
Like,
everyone?
when I mean with a difference is like millimeters, yeah, bro. When the cracker looking for the cells. Nah, I like that, bro. I like it.
Gemini is looking for buys on gold. Bought this morning. Again, looking for what I feel like we finished very quickly today. Now I have to wait 9 minutes.
Sheesh.
Chad, what do you think of the updated playlist? Our boy doing us dirty this morning. Was it Austin saying thank you for that 2015 playlist? And it wasn't, yeah, it was a few years off. It was actually a 2019 playlist. So, but we're going to give him the benefit of the doubt. Training market killed the Nighbot today. I honestly think the training bots are easier to do than the ranging bots. So I think it's very good. Setting the cells out today. I'm going for buy. Stofie, go for it, my brother. Like I said, I've seen the market just absolutely get ahead of itself. So that's not even off the table. That is not even off the table.
Yeah, that's literally still a very, very easy option.
It can still very well buy. 3% on US30 is almost 1,500 points. Not something we haven't seen. So
I must say though, bro, if this thing starts running bullish, I don't know if I'll sell it. Purely because if it runs, that's all-time highs it's running. And I'm not pulling a Donvo. I'm not going to try to fade the all-time highs.
with how volatile it is, bro, I think you'll get 60 points before you even blink. So I think for the crack, how volatile it is, Chad, I think it can chop as well. I think it can very, very well chop.
But if we look at our levels, bro, we got a lot of range to trade. So it won't be punching our levels.
No, it will never punch the levels, Chad.
Pray for Don.
Keenan, how's it going, my brother? How's it going, everyone? Welcome, welcome.
If it punches, I'm a fade it. I'll pull in a Dumbo. That's what I'm looking at, Keeks. Yeah, bro, it's just, yeah. My thing is, remember, I still say I like the cells. If this thing rejects again over here, like, okay, then I'm happy with the cells. No complaints. Because now you've rejected all-time highs like 4 times. You're 6 minutes, bro. Okay,
Sure,
I need to go pee, bro.
Oh, for TP. Oh, when you come back, I'll go pee. two P's for the TP. Glad to see you not yawning today, Chris. Hey, Justin, I was messed up yesterday. I was tired, dude. Yo. London, how's it going, my brother? Yeah, it's actually bad, Don. Dude, it's I actually feel bad for the guy. Honestly, I feel bad for him. We still don't know if he had an equity deal. I can't think that he had one. It's not saying that there wasn't one, but I feel bad for the dude. It's honestly, he was never really a bad guy, and to basically ruin all of those years of graft, like every day streaming, doing everything he did, and then just one week. It's basically 1 week of some bad decisions, and that's your name gone. Bugatti, we actually gonna try and shoot tomorrow, dude. It's just been in the office today. Ed was shooting his stuff. We had the lady that cleans the office. She was also in here, so we're gonna try and shoot for tomorrow. We already planned it out, so things are gonna really start coming to life now. So all of that's planned out. So I think we still have about 20 to do, and then I think we've got a good base, and then we'll just systematically start adding. Strobe, it's been a while. Welcome.
I feel like traders think they're immortal once they're successful until your trade humbles you.
Make a group for more advanced traders. Ndobo, what is actually an advanced trader? That's dude, sometimes I don't even feel advanced enough to stream here for you, so I don't know what is an advanced trader. You can be super advanced and still get murdered by the market. Bugatti, no, not tonight. I wanted to do it. I actually wanted to do it today during the day, so it's going to be during the day. I get absolutely drilled if I speak at the house. So, dude, I've the most advanced I've ever felt. I got clapped the hardest. It's when you're too advanced. That's why you have to come with humility to these markets and just be like, all right. No ego, no title, nothing. It's just me and the markets.
You guys are space for one more in the office. I don't know why, bro. Everyone wants to be in this office. I'm running 8 accounts at once. Who would you say is the best copy trader for us in SA? I don't like copy trading, bro. I'm still retail. Teach me how to be advanced.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. What is advanced really?
You retail rats.
I'm still retail cause it's vibes. 1 minute.
Let's see what Yus is gonna do. Is he gonna try a run? Chris, back when you were in the vault days, where was that office you had with all the cars?
Brian, you wouldn't believe me. That's deep in the hood. I'm not even lying, bro. That office was about 2 kilometers away from us, probably the most dangerous neighborhood in Port Elizabeth. When I tell people that, they don't believe me till I take them there. Then they're like, oh, you weren't lying. No, deep, dude. Like, deep in the hood.
Alright, US studies trying to go for it.
Okay, so Gemini. 20 seconds. Gemini going for that last buy today, yeah.
All right, guys. Hope you're ready. It is round 8. The one I think everyone's been waiting for. New York after FTMO.
FTM.
FTMO. FOMC.
Beautiful.
But markets are open, guys. Ding, 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 ding. Round 8. Fight.
Here we go. Yeah, drum, go on, let's go.
No, bro, my brain's like half asleep here still. This has been a long day.
Okay, there we go.
All right. Okay, so we're gonna fade today, bro.
I didn't mean fade.
No, I mean, no, well, technically it's going bullish, so I'm just saying we...
So if it breaks,
Technically, so what would you say? That first one was on a range. Do you think that was in the... Do you think this counts as a range break?
no, you always set it to like break a range. So that's not a range
No,
break.
as long as it... So the previous one closed over that range. So this one now, do you count that as a range break? Yes or no?
No.
You got 9 seconds, so you
No.
have to decide.
No, yeah, okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm in.
I'm in with you. Let's see what we're gonna do, yeah.
I feel like today is a little bit different than other days. Yo. Okay. 60 points then. Bro, 60 points look like nothing, my dude. It's a 1 minute candle. Is this it? It's so close, bro. Do we go break again? Wait, I'm out. Beautiful.
I'll break even, Chad.
I'm out, Chad. What a trade. What a trade, baby.
That is quick as you like, Chad.
I'm out. I took full.
Mine was still just short, bro, so I didn't close. Give it to me, come on.
This is the story of NYSE.
Come on.
Chad, put that on an Instagram story. Wait, where is it? Split screen. There we go. In sniper, so now we can just say sniper entries, 0 drawdown. That's literally it. Check there. Boom, boom. 60 in, out, done.
Bro, he's just thinking to come take me now.
Did you really not get 60?
Bro, I promise you, and wake me out. I promise you.
Yo.
I promise you, I was 0.9. I wanted to close it, and then it pulled back. I was like, shit, let me just wait. Am I gonna get taken out here, guys?
Or you break even now?
Break even, I'm out.
That is horrific.
What is my luck with this account, bro?
But remember that week when I got stopped out 3 times when it was this close, and I still told you I'll never ever again, if it gets that close, I'm manually closing it.
Like, what is my luck with these accounts? And watch it go to TP now. Watch it flip and go to TP.
Okay, so Cracker is 3 for 4. 3 out of 4. Oh damn, Chad. SA40, we missed it. Never really got a full test on the 200, so yeah, I classify this missed. Break even, eh?
No, I'm not gonna talk about it, bro.
Keys, but I'm honest, I'm going to take a second stab at it if we break the Cracker level lower.
That is such rubbish, bro.
Chad, I'm going to take another stab at US 30. I just want to show you guys where, just above here, I'm going to take another stab. If we get below here, that level there, I'm going to take one more short. That's if we 14990 basically, or on some brokers it's 14980.
Like my thing is, bro, that there, like you can see there. I mean, that is 60, but on wasn't 60.
That's weird. I got the 60.
But the thing is, you can literally look on our trade alerts. Didn't close me out.
Yeah, I got the. Wait, did I catch the full 60? Let me just check. Was it 60? Yeah, actually got full, a little bit more than 60.
Nah, I'm waiting, bro. I want to see it. Maybe we get it. I'll still go for it again.
Yo, this is a pretty,
So I don't know
pretty
what
deep mix.
playlist
Yeah,
this
sorry,
is
bro.
you-
This mix is a little crier, bro.
Yeah, he got in higher than you, Keeks. Yeah, I think he did.
Chat, sorry, let me just get another playlist. That playlist
Let's
is a
see what's
little bit.
happening, yeah.
What like a playlist? So yeah. Let's check. There's not a lot. Imagine I had to stream like this. This would be tough.
I had 58 points, was waiting for the full 60. Yeah, so Peter also was just short.
Okay, I don't know where I got that other playlist.
Yeah, Chris is just like, we can have a moment of silence. There's a part of me that just wants to take it now, bro, because we can't get above that level.
Wait. I promise you. I see what you see, but believe me when I say wait for that break. Yeah.
The hell is yummy? Where?
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 No, previous daily high. We need to get back below it. Otherwise, this thing can murder the short sellers here today. Bro, really? When did they announce a rate cut? Today? Keeks, yeah, you see where that previous daily high lines up? And that's perfect. If we come back in there, it's... Whoa, Gemini, bring it back for us.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, okay. Yeah.
What did it say?
We got a disclaimer in, so it's fine.
What did I say? What did
And there's TP completely, Shad. Yay.
TP. Hey, beautiful. So the car that I own with the bank is gonna be cheaper, man.
Like, bro. Even if I entered when I wanted to, now I'd really been TP.
No, but it wouldn't have been a good trade. I promise you. If you consider The cracker is still valid. So that was the top there. This year is still valid if it goes below here as well.
There's still room for a big sell-off, so let's just be patient with it.
Dude, I'm honestly telling you, if we get back below that news level high, back below it, things are gonna get messy. Things are gonna get super messy.
So if you break this level, yeah, you're selling. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go very aggressive. The safer one would actually be to wait for a backside retest. So what I'm gonna look for, Kicks, is something like this. So if we break below here and we get a little retest here and we fail, then I'm gonna sell, because then we've got about 200 points here on the table. 180 points. So I just want to see if we if we fail on that backside. If we fail on that backside, according to the cracker, it's already valid. I just want to see after this. I want to see what we do.
That's just the thing I'm hoping now. Does it not run without us?
And we've got this weekly R1. So Nasdaq new high on the session. Very interesting. Look, it's like 10 points away. So if you've got that fear of it just running, but I'm gonna wait. Even if it just runs down, I'm gonna wait for that test. I'm gonna wait for that test to see if this is valid, because Chad, what I've also seen is price can do this.
Only problem for me is we've got the 200 we're holding underneath that level. So if this 200 holds, you're not going to get that retest.
Okay, here we go. Chad, so here's the idea. I've seen this as well, where it fakes out. You think like it's rejecting the end, it will go back up. I think was it Tuesday? Tuesday it did something like that. Otherwise, if you really want to be aggressive, if we reject here again, that 200, but I want to see that backside retest. But what do you make of Nasdaq? So DXY on the high of the session, Nasdaq at the high of the session. Ooh, their Nasdaq starting to. Patience first. 15 minutes. We haven't even established the open range yet. What, bro? What is this, chat? Sorry, man. I don't know what
Bro,
this.
We left you in charge of.
Sorry, bro. This playlist is deep. This is like the playlist after a breakup. You play this, and
because now you've held that weekly R1 like 3 times, bro.
so
You're not
you
getting
gotta buy
away
it.
from it. No, I'm saying is you're not getting away from it. It's tested it 3 times, closed bearish 3 times.
I want to take the opening range trade here. Ooh, Gemini, no. Chat, Gemini is struggling yet, dude. No, Gemini, don't do it. Gemini is having a tough time here. Dude, I just want Gemini to be a little bit more competitive. All right, Chad. Here's the okay, Keek. So we've got something to work with now. There's our opening range. I feel like we've got a lot.
This Plamena is our biggest fanboy.
Oh, is he still? Yeah.
You know the thing for me, bro, is the person like watches the streams. They comment every time. They're here every day now.
Yeah, I know, that's a
like
fan.
you can't.
They're a fan now.
And I don't know what they can complain about because there's the TPs. So I don't know what they can complain about.
Yeah, Plamena, unfortunately, this is what happened there, Plamena. Unfortunately, top ticked it. He's the sniper life. Call us German sniper 1 and 2. Plamela, at least say thank you. Just say thank you, Keegan and Chris, for top ticking the session. Just at least, you don't have to be weird about it. Don't be weird about it.
I'm just saying, bro, we could have had the re-entry.
No, you could have. I would have never taken that. That for me.
The thing for me was 200 was there. If you were gonna hold the 200, you were never gonna get that retest.
I was never gonna enter there. I was never. If that was part of your plan, you should have been in. But for me, that was not even an option. Yeah, Plamena, I'd rather just say thank you. We gave you the cells. Alright, chat, I'm literally waiting just for the opening range low here for the retest, and then I'm in. And if it just runs, it runs. That is not, I don't take impulse entries like that. So we've got a one extra trade in the bag here. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if we reject opening range low.
So if you get your rejection off that open range, you sell. Or are you going to try and fade it back into the
No. I like the sales more. You obviously also know that level that's untested the last time we tried. We haven't even touched that level. So I'm looking for that sell. Chad, this is the zone. If we reject here, I will go for a short. Otherwise,
So you're going for it.
It's still bullish on my side, yeah. This candle. I just want to see. So the ideally, Keeks, what we want to see is just maybe like a top wick. Are you going for it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm not going to keep waiting.
Okay.
And that's going to be our best shot for the re-entry then.
Yeah, I ideally want to see at least a bearish candle away from that level. That's still two bullish candles.
Okay, where's, because that's shows my entry there now.
Yeah, it's a tough,
You could
it's
even
a tough
aim for
mix.
Asia highs if you want to then. If this works, yeah, I think Asia highs is A nice realistic target.
Yeah, I just want to see a tap. Okay, there we're tapping it. Alright. Alright, chat, if this closes engulfing, I'm going for it. Because we have yet to get a bearish candle, so... "30 seconds, 23. Can we get it?"
Let's just run for us now. Come on.
Oh, now it's... Oh, now it's sticky.
Come
Chad, if
on.
I get a little pullback, I'm going to go for it.
Chad,
Just
I'm
need it.
break even again.
If I get a little pullback, I don't think how big is a pullback going to be. Yeah. Okay. Oh! Is there news? Wait, let me... fuck. Wait, let me go on this account. Let me go, yeah. Oh, no, I'm too late. Fuck.
Okay, Chad, TP. I'm out. Yeah, this can hold, but there I got my 60 pips. I missed it earlier. I got it now. There we go. Plamele. You saw 2 again.
2 for 2, shame. Shame, Pamela.
I'll take that, bro. At least I got my trade I missed earlier. At least I got it.
You gotta put
And I'm
respect.
out before the news.
Kings,
So
you gotta put respect on that OR. That
I'll give credits to Chris. Your OR gave me that signal there.
Yeah, Chad, I couldn't enter your, I don't know, disabled margin. I don't know.
Nice, quick two trades there for the day, guys.
9 minutes. Oh, fuck, that gave me.
So this is gonna be one of those days again, Chris. You're gonna go for the hat trick, bro.
Bro, I should already be in, Chad. So just for, I should be in. This is where I should be in. The only issue is your stop is literally below that opening range low, so it can push and go and retest there.
So why didn't you take that one when I entered? I just want to understand. So I know you
I'm
said
gonna tell you now. Oh, wait. Okay, Chad, okay. Yeah.
Are you in now?
No, I want to take. Dude, that's the entry I should be in, but Chad, I'm not gonna take it. I'll wait for something here. Maybe after the news, if we get another retest of that opening range low. Otherwise, I'll take it here from the daily R1. The reason I didn't take that is, Keeks, if you think about it, you want to be selling when you actually get candles in your direction. So for me, this candle still printed bullish. That one as well. So this candle, yeah, obviously now this one pushed away, but what I wanted to see was
okay. Sorry, just that first one. So even though it rejected,
it was still
the
bullish.
fact it was still a bullish candle is why. Okay, because now you see that's just why I took that one, was because even though
if this candle was
rejected,
bearish,
it closed underneath.
If this candle was bearish, it was showing me that once it hit, sellers took control of the market there, but it was still bullish. Okay. So it's showing you that there's still willingness to actually buy into that level.
Okay.
Now this candle here. This candle, obviously, I would have loved for it to only be like up until here. Like I said, just an engulfing.
Yeah.
Then you still get it close, but it's still valid, Chad.
Okay, now I get you.
This trade here is still valid. You can still take it. I don't know with the news. I don't want to turn a winning day into a losing day, but you could still take it there. That is still a valid break of structure. It's not the best entry. It's definitely not the best entry, but that is still a valid break of structure. That is your rejection off the level there. So you could still take this and still go for your 60, but just know that you might get a prick there. So,
bro, you know the funny thing, is for me, literally, Chad, I'm not even going to say anything. Chris, what did I say we're going to do before this session? If we get a trade and we're on the right side.
You're going to hold it for 3R.
For 3R, okay? For 3R. I went break even on this, and I got the break even because of this. But that's 1R. 12,000 is 2R. Is your 18, 3R. We just said it was going to be a big reversal day today.
Chad, I just have to take a quick call here, Keeks. Something important. News coming out now. Check that opening range low, Chad.
Yeah, just leave it on the multi-screen because I want to watch your open range where it is.
Let's do something like that.
I don't know, Chad. Maybe, do we get aggressive? Do we go for the hat trick again? Existing home sales may create some volume. Yeah, I definitely think it will create some volume. I don't think it will, if you want to say, change direction of the markets, but I definitely think it will bring some volume for us. Why you guys trades not updating in Project G? Bugatti, I'm pretty sure it is, my brother. I'm pretty sure it is. And if you're on the stream, my man, what's the big issue? Let's go, yeah, Project G. So when was this one? 337. So those are old ones. Did Chris is not update? Okay, Chris, remember, Chris is trading a private account now, so that's why his isn't. Bugatti, the thing is, brother, when you backtest, it's not about backtesting our trades, my brother. You should be backtesting your trades. I don't know what backtesting our trades is going to help with. But that is weird. I can show you on the terminal that I took it. So, I mean, over there, you guys can see where the trades were taken. So, I don't know why they are not being updated. I will look into that for you. Let me have a look here quickly. Load. Yeah, we're gonna have to look into that. I've even rebooted it now. Now that I've rebooted it, it doesn't even actually show on my screen. So for guys that don't know, when this thing is linked to our stuff, it shows on our terminal, and it's not shown on my terminal. Which is very weird. Yeah. Okay, Bugatti, we're gonna have a look into it, brother. I'll see if we can. For the firecracker. I don't know what you backtested on the firecracker, bro. But yeah, I will have a look into it. Thank you for bringing it to my attention though that it isn't working, but we will have a look at why it's not working. Send a message on the group. Yeah, but literally just that I haven't looked at what it is yet.
A little pump fake here. A little pump fake back into the range. Keeks. Do you see what I see? Chad, I'm going to be honest with you. If this is going to be my last position. If we come back below somewhere here, I'm going to take it, and I'm willing to risk it. Risking it for the biscuit.
What did it come out as, bro?
It came out lower, 3.86, lower than previous and expected. Philly coming out very strong, expected -1, 1.7.
My only thing is, bro, I don't see that as negative for the equities.
No, it is slowing economy, existing home sales. Remember, 2000.
I see it for the dollar, but for equities.
For equities, housing market is big, dude. You know how many Grant Cardone's entire net worth is in real estate. So the real estate market is struggling. A lot of guys are going to be in trouble. All right, Chad, here we go. One more kiss, and then we go. Fair value gap, everything. Buy side liquidity taken. Fair value gap, breaker blocks. We've got it all here.
Big man drinks out the 5-liter bottle. Yeah, Austin, bro. That man handles that small 5-liter bottle.
Hey, Austin, talking about our playlist and now duping us with the 5-liter bottle. Hey man, it's just easier. I'm not a glass guy. I just grab that 5-liter.
So you going for the shorts though?
I'm gonna go again, yeah. If we reject here and we get a break of structure, I'm going for it. That's if we break below. Otherwise, us
on that previous daily high.
On that previous, and so what I'm looking for is this candle needs to reject, and then I just want a little candle like this. Basically, this is what I'm looking for there. If we get this, Chad, and I'm happy to take the stop. If we get a candle like this, and I get duped, more than happy. But if it breaks above here, this thing can really start trying some fair value gaps here. Then we're gonna see some breakers here, some BBs. Yeah, no, it's not ready, bro. This thing wants to run.
I think this thing might run, bro.
I'm gonna still give it. I'm gonna give it a chance, bro. If it can't hold this previous daily high, it's definitely in trouble. But if it holds here, this thing can do some work to the upside because it's holding at 200. Look at that, clean. Yeah, I know, Chad. Let's see this backside. Let's see this backside, if it's going to test the backside of it. Keeks, looking at the cracker now.
Yeah.
If it literally holds here, you've seen what happens. Would you go long on it?
Want it to run. I think the longs are an option, bro.
Because look at opening range high has not been taken, eh?
Yeah.
So opening range low has been clipped.
I think it is an option, bro. It's definitely not off the table.
Yeah, because look how many times we rejected here, but we never really got away from it. Yeah, we just broke through it cleanly. There were some rejections, no break of structure though, so... Chad, interesting stuff here. Interesting stuff.
Yeah, come to yourselves, bro.
Let's see. But the thing is, that's not a retest for me, bro. That's... Chad, I don't see this as a retest. Like, it broke above. If it closes like this, I wanted it to hold below it. This... Hey, dude. Chad, I'm gonna have to wait for a retest, though. This for me is... That was a retest there. That for me was a retest there, and I wanted the break of structure after that. So if we don't get that retest, no bueno, no trade here. Then I'll just stay out of it. Phew. Kicks break structure, here we go for it long. We go for that opening range high. We bag it and we tag it. Bag it and tag it, bro. If we get it. If you get
it, yeah. What's the XY doing, bro?
We bag it and we tag it, bro. We throw it in.
Nasdaq's starting to run again.
Gigs, we bag it and we tag it, bro. We get in on that sugar rush. Chad, honestly, if we hold above the previous daily high and we break structure there, I'm literally going for it. I'm literally going for it. The previous daily high is a massive level. There's a lot of movement that's going to happen around it, but they're going to take it away from here either way. It's either going to be taken away to the downside, or they're going to take it to the upside.
I'm trying to think, what do you think is more probable?
This playlist is aggressive, my dude. Sure.
You are going through all the emotions here today.
This playlist. NCS is very aggressive, Chad. This is
just like, watch me cook today.
This is one of, Chad, sorry man, this is one of the more aggressive playlists I've put together here. No, dude, gold up. I'm not, like I told you, I'm not trading gold today. Gold is just violent. I'm trying to check here. Dude, I like the shorts, but I'm also thinking Chad, we gonna... Oh. What do you like more though? Because look at the cracker, bro. Look at the cracker.
It's tough, bro. It's tough.
Dude, and we had the fair value gap. You forget about the fair value. Look at that, bro. There's the fair value gap. That right there, in the fair value gap, in the breakers, my bro. A lot of people don't know about this fair value gap game. Oof. Might have missed it. Oh, because that wasn't a breaker structure there. 200 gigs. 200, because that's a valid break of structure now to the downside. If we can get another little kiss here on the 200, let's see. Is it just can't hold above that previous daily high? There's
for me though, that weekly R1 I think's a problem. If this thing just starts to run, then yeah, I think it's gone.
Did we miss it? Then
I think this thing is going to do some damage now.
Bro, what is this price action, dude? Chad, my thinking with this is that this previous daily high, look at how many times we've rejected it. There we broke clean above, failed to hold the retest. Here we had like a little bit of a consolidation. Yeah, this thing might. And yeah, I wanted to see a break of structure, so I was never going to take that candle. Even though there's a nice little retest there, I was never, if this candle closed there, definitely. Chris Market ICT bull, yes. You can do it, Chris. Chad, and you guys think these fair value? Chad, again. For the guys that don't know about this, there was your Judah swing macro time. Look at this. This is textbook stuff. Look at that. Liquidity swept to the upside. Look at that. All of these equal highs taken. Liquidity there. If you go on a line chart, you'll see liquidity swept. There was your chalk. There was your OTE into a fair value gap. Look at that. Chad, you can't make this stuff up. There was your OTE, your optimal trade entry area. Let's just make this a little bit darker there. Look at that. And now to go for that liquidity down here. Look at all that liquidity just resting here. It's actually a quadruple bottom there. Look at that. All of that liquidity there. Look at all that fair value gap, chocks, bosses, you name it. Kicks, you still don't believe in the... Dude, look at that, a fair value gap. My goodness. And many people doubted the fair value gap, and I always said the fair value gap. Look there, look at that precision. Macro time. Sure, OTEs.
Yeah. So did you take it?
Yeah, I top ticked it here on the fair value gap. I top tick stuff here. Just bro, it's very choppy. I look at that high being taken and then the low, and now you're in the middle. What? Yo. Yeah. Dude, here's my thing. If you think back to that other day when we did this, we would take a low and then we would go take a high and then we would take a low again.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm thinking here, Chad, because if you really think about it, here's another fair value gap after we've taken the sell side liquidity. What if this is actually the Judah swing? What if that was maybe the ICT guys? I'm for real now. The ICT guys, listen here. I'm for real now. This is a perfect example where I can ask you guys now. This is now a perfect example. So if you zoom in here and you can consider this on a line chart, you can consider this turtle soup, whatever you want to call it. That is the liquidity sweep, and I'm not even taking the piss out of anyone. I'm for real now. This is some of the stuff that I told you about, that it's discretionary for me. There was your break of structure. That high was taken out. So this is technically a change of character back to the upside. Okay. Now, if I go back to the candle chart now as well. So, but also if you look left now, then you can also say, but this was the liquidity sweep and there was that break of structure there. So now my question is, do you trade the fair value gap here? Let's do this quickly. Do you trade the fair value gap that was here, that fair value gap there, or do you trade now the fair value gap that is sitting basically in here? Because both scenarios are literally just mirrored. This took the session low, immediately reversed. That took the session high, immediately reversed. So this is an honest question that I'm asking, and it's if the ICT boys can tell me now which one was the right one here, which trade should you have taken here? This is now an honest question. Nah, okay. Yeah, you see there, that's the sell. So one guy is saying the sell, and that is exactly my point. Two ICT traders, one says none, the other one says sell, the other one says bottom makes sense, and that's what I'm trying to tell you. If I'm teaching you something, and my methods are concise and it's the same, and I ask all three guys, all three of them should say the same answer. So that is what I'm saying. That is the issue for me. I can be an ICT trader, Keegan can be one, and both of us can see something different. So that is the only, not even an issue, that's the only thing that
makes sense what you're saying.
That's the only thing that fucked me up when I traded it, because then the one guy was like, no, but bro, this was the sell. We were trading above the previous, above the weekly open, and there was some this and that. And I'm like, bro, I don't know what is going on here. But anyways, and then you take the buy and it's like, bro, the sells were always on. And then when you do not take the sells, it's like, dude, the buys were, I'm like, nah, bro, I don't know. So that's the only reason for me. No, but Chad, that's what I'm saying. There's nothing wrong for me, but my thing always was like, if Keegan trades a certain way, why can't Keegan teach me so that every single time we both see the same thing? If you go and ask Neil in the chat, when Neil spent 3-4 months with me, Neil will send me a chart, or I will send Neil a chart, and we look exactly at the same thing, because I was the one that instilled the process, the framework into Neil. So I would be bothered if Neil didn't see the same thing. And that's exactly the same with ICT.
Bro, that's crazy. So on USD on an ANDA, you're above the weekly R1. On FP markets, you under the weekly R1.
Okay, so now the one brother is saying purely look for buys. So now we can go the other route here when you said purely look for buys. So now, let's say pre-market, this is the confusion, and I'm not taking the piss out of anyone. Now you say, Chris, you should purely look for buys. And then I say, beautiful, I'm just going to look for buys. Let's just do this quickly. Pre-market, we've got these equal lows. Let's agree, if you go to any ICT trader, he's going to tell you, Chris, beautiful. Look at that turtle soup there. Oh, look at the turtle soup. And it's like, oh, there we go. We've taken the soup. There was the last lower high. There's your chalk. Chris, now what you need to do is OTE, my brother. It's like, okay, OTE, here we go. OTE, consequent encroachment. We are going higher. Little fair value gap. Let's find a fair value gap in there. Let's quickly find a fair value gap in there. Nice little turtle soup here. Liquidity has been ran. There's your fair value gap. Buy limits here. There's a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap for everyone. Now you pull your fib and you get absolutely mollywopped. OTE clapped. Your cheeks got clapped. And now it's like, oh damn, okay. It was actually a liquidity sweep to the downside. I just want to know if Plamela, plot twist Keeks, Plamela is actually hot, and she's been in your DMs and you haven't read it. She's at the request section and you find out she's like a 9, and that's why she's so hot on you. Chad, but you guys see what I mean. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not hating on ICT or any of that. It's just like these are things that you see, and it's like, yo, bro, turtle soup, beautiful liquidity sweep, fair value gaps, all of that. Where's Plamena? Plamena is 100% waiting for. Bro, but how do we keep it simple? So you said follow the higher time frame bias, which is bullish. So there was our liquidity sweep. There was our change of character. So how do we keep it simple? If we keep it simple, we got clapped there. Now when it broke down here, it's like, oh, maybe this is not it. And now you hear what I'm saying? That's my issue with the entire ICT thing. Chat 200 rejected there. I wasn't really locked in there. Busy with this ICT teaching. Do we go for a quick little dab here? Quick little dab ski. I might go for it. What the heck? Let's go for it. One more for the team. Let's see if we let me just pull my stop before I get fair value gap here in the face. A little bit late, should have actually been in there on the 200. Got in literally there. Gonna try one more break back below opening range low, back below the weekly R1. Just gonna go for session lows. If we get a little bit more, I'll go for that. So let's see. Just want to pull my take profit there. Actual entry was up there, Chad, at 200, but didn't get that. So if we can get to this daily R1, that's where I'll go break even, because we have bounced there before. If we get there, if I don't get fair value gap here, because here's a fair value gap. We can get fair value gapped in this section.
Chris, I swear, bro, it's like a kid in a candy store when you start going on about ICT.
Bro, the thing is, I told the guys I was the cult. I was that guy that was like, Michael, you machine. Then I was like, bro, I don't know what is going on here, and nobody can tell me. If I chat to an ICT guy, it's like, hey Chris, but you weren't in what PD array were you trading? I'm like, bro, this thing was in discount. No, but you should be checking it on the monthly chart. I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? You guys said daily. No. That's retail telling you daily. Chad, this thing is a little choppier. Do we go break even? Yes, bro. It's not moving here. Chad, I'm actually gonna go break even. This is not my entry to take. If I get lucky, I've gone break even. If it runs, but the entry was up here. Remember that 200 we spoke about, that zone there. So if I get break even, that's fine. If it runs, it runs.
Bro, we've already had 2 W's. Like, it's not like, I think we're going on as if we hadn't even had a trade yet. It's like we've had 2 W's.
No, but I mean, like, I was looking for that trade there. That was the trade idea.
No, I'm just saying, like, go break, because this is now,
Yeah.
it's like, bro, I take it, oh well, like, I've still got my win for the day.
Yeah, this is just a little treat. It's, if I get it, I get it. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Have I pulled my TP? I have. No, this is a fair value gap, remember. These are fair value gaps. I should be buying here. Is it? No, that's why I'm honest when I say if there's a oh, is that where you got in, Peter? Beautiful, solid, bro, solid trade, stunning trade. Previous, we already wanted to take it there. That was the second best option. This is like, bro, you just a degen. I should rather be on Aviator now. But Chad, that's why I'm honestly asking if there's somebody that actually trades ICT well and can actually still in almost break even and can actually answer these questions like solidly and tell me, Chris, this is the process. Because collectively we just saw that 3 ICT guys, all 3 having different answers, and there's nothing wrong, and that's just the discretion I talk about. But anyways, okay, break even, Chad. Break even. Yeah, the ideal trade would have been, that one wasn't bad. That 200, I wouldn't go for something again, yeah. We just got fair value gapped. I totally get you, Bruno. Strat or trading style as 100% or even dude, it's not about the win rate. That's my thing, Zuad. I'm not even chatting about the win rate. My thing is just of being consequent. It's just a case of every ICT trader to have the ability to look at this chart and talk out of the same mouth. That's all I'm saying. Even if you've got a 50% win rate, that's not my issue here. My issue is that if I put 10 ICT traders in the room and I show them this chart, for all of them to tell me exactly the same thing, because that is showing me that the method is the same. So it's not even about win rate, bro. I'm not saying you can't make money with ICT. I'm not saying all of that. That is what bothers me as an engineer, as somebody that's very systematic. I want things to be the same. If you tell me A is A, then A must be A. A can't be B. So but again, nothing wrong with the concepts. Like I said, I've traded it. It's just I was in a ICT group as well, and everyone had a different. There was like 100 people in there. Everyone's chart was different. This guy was waiting for a deep sweep into a discount array. This guy is selling into the discount array. And then I was like, yo, boys, I don't think any of us actually know what the fuck we are doing. Keeks, you standing the same as show. Keeks, one more for the boys. One more.
Bro, I'm taking it. I need one more trade. That trade's gonna come on a Friday. I'm gonna finish my week strong.
Okay. So you're not taking anything now?
I'm not, bro. You're gonna be by yourself here, bro.
In on as bars, close back above orb. Hey, beautiful brother. Okay, Brian, so you trading the orb on NAS. NAS has been clean though, I have to be honest. I actually have to take a look at the NAS orb a little bit. This orb is pretty dynamite, Chad. Look at that. You can't even make this orb stuff up. I don't know. Fuck, bro. If I found out about orb 8 years ago, I would have been retired by now. Yes, all those years, all that money in the drain.
My brother, but I think that's the session for today.
Let me just check the orb here quick, and then we can shoot. I just wanna. Where did this thing? Okay. Sure. Look at that, Chad. This orb is disgusting. Oh damn. Okay, there's a little fail. Yo, look at that. Brian, that is actually clean, bro. That fake out holding the 200. This is super clean. I would have definitely said you could have gotten involved here. And yo, bro, that is clean. Brian, that is super clean. There's your retest. There's your break. Expecting volume to come in. Yo, look at this, Geeks. You guys are sleeping on the orb, Chad. Look at that orb, even doing 0.33% on NASDAQ. Fair value gap. Alright, Kick, sorry, man. I enjoyed the session. That ICT. Chad, if you can show me the way. But here's the thing, dude. Yeah, I'm not even gonna. Okay. I'm not even gonna chat any further on it.
Alright, guys. But yeah, I think that was a good session, bro. I mean, two trades there, 2 winning trades. So yeah, good day. 1 break even. So not bad for a little 3-peat. But yeah, going up to the last session tomorrow, how you feeling for it, bro?
Dude, I'm feeling good. I just want to get Michael Huddlestone on here so he can show us the way. No, Chad, I'm kidding, man. I love the RCT guys. I love it. Me and Keegan actually had a chat. We said the ability for him to create such a strong cult. You got to respect that. The man has got he's got a strong cult following. There are some very good points as well, and we've said it so many times. We've given credit to RCT for this Asian range theory. But yeah, Kigs, I think we're gonna finish off the week strong. Start a little bit rough around the edges, but we're gonna
finish strong, bro. Lock and load for tomorrow. Excited for it. But yeah, guys, good one. Tomorrow it's Friday. We are getting ready. So we'll be here for London, for New York. We got a bit of content stuff coming your way, so keep an eye out on that. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
No point in blaming you, you did not know.